Comparing and combining documents. Now let's talk about comparing and combining documents. If you are working on multiple versions of a document, the compare feature is your best friend. Head to the review tab and click on compare. Then select the document you want to compare. Here I'll select the original version. And then I'll select the old version that I want to compare it with. Click OK. And Word will automatically highlight the differences, making it easy to make changes and create a unified document. Now after your comparison, to merge or combine documents, click on the Combine button from the drop-down tab under the Combine option. Choose the document you want to combine. And click on OK. The two documents will automatically be combined into one. Comparing and combining documents streamlines the consolidation of edits from different contributors.